And as the country continues to grapple with crime, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the government intends to invest heavily in technology and protecting the nation's borders in the new fiscal year. $137.3 billion has been budgeted for national security for the 2024-2025 fiscal year. The minister was responding to questions at yesterday's Standing Finance Committee. While acknowledging that more needs to be done to reduce crime, Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang started his Standing Finance Committee presentation on the improvements.
All categories of major crimes, including murders, shootings, rapes, robberies, break-ins, aggravated assaults, and larcenies, recorded an overall reduction of 10% in the course of the last calendar year.
Despite that progress, he agreed with Western St. Andrew MP Anthony Hilton that illegal guns continue to be a major issue. Mr. Hilton questioned the ministry's plans in this regard.
The issue of guns and ammunition, none of which we manufacture here in Jamaica, but they're here in abundance.
We have seen increased recovery this year. We are getting better at intercepting the ports because a lot of the guns came into the ports. The coastal monitoring also improves. We have not been able to announce a lot, but we know we have intercepted a fair amount because when a boat has guns and they throw it overboard, it disappears. When they have drugs, you actually pick up the drug, they float. But we have expanded that. That's among the reasons why the Coast Guard is given much more resources in expanding and strengthening their own operation.
Beyond guns, Dr. Chang explained that the ministry continues to invest in technology to monitor criminal communications as incarcerated gang members seek to orchestrate murders.
Well, that's, intercepting people's communication, which is, governed by law and privacy. Well, we have been able to monitor the prisons where we have the responsibility to do so. And we're getting equipment to so do, and we have been able to intercept quite a few. I'd say the majority, we now get the information. I know that, of course, you must realize many times that they go is not the odd contract killer for private businesses and family squabbles. We do find, but much of them is, as one officer said, we are saving criminals' lives. But we do it.
He also outlined a long-term plan to build new penal facilities to replace the old prisons in St. Catherine and downtown Kingston.
But we are looking at a medium-term situation. We build a small facility that will be electronically hardened, and we take out our between 50 and 100 most dangerous action and put them in that particular facility. We hope to begin that in the course of this year.
The 2024-25 budget is 1.25% lower than last year's figure. However, this was attributed in part to capital projects that were completed in the 2023-24 period.